Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It is... what date? What's the date?
Friday the 10th.
Friday, 10th of May. Today, we are going to Camden Town.
Camden Town.
Camden.
That's where we live at home.
Yeah, that is where we live at home. So, super
cool.
excited for that. We've heard there's great little food markets in Camden Town, funky little shops. So, that's definitely us all over. So, yeah, hopefully we can... have a good day. It's not meant to rain all day, which we are praying. We are praying so we can get some good footage for you guys, and just so you can see what we get up to on a day to day, and not have to worry about putting the camera away in the wet weather. So we'll see how it goes. Excited for the tube. I actually get excited for the tube now because we know what we're doing.
Pros.
Yeah, because we feel like we're pros at the moment. So yeah, we'll see you a bit later. Have a good day.
Bye.
Hey guys, we've just arrived in Camden Town. The tube was a bit hectic. Let's run. The tube ride was a bit hectic in peak hour, but now we're just making our way to the park to hopefully put up the drone. Just finished flying the drone in Regent's Park. It was a nice little park, pretty quiet.
Yeah,
it was good. The drone, hopefully we got some awesome footage for you. Now we're just heading down towards Camden Market. We've heard great things about this market. Pretty much everyone we've ever spoken to about London has always said Camden Town and Camden Market is one of the highlights. So we're gonna go see if we can try find some cool threads and yeah, hopefully we come across some cool vintage stuff to buy. We're into that sort of thing. We're very
good food.
Yeah, we're super keen for the food. The food market, we've heard great things about. Oh my god, look at this car for a second. What is that thing?
So low.
The tyres are hidden. That's awesome. Oh, I cannot ever get over these streets. So Britt, what are we getting for lunch?
I'm getting a chicken Caesar burger and the cheesy fries.
Which one's that?
I know. What is that one?
Yeah?
And then there's yum. Chicken Caesar and then the cheesy fried cheese and a bit of toast.
So we just ordered that burger place over there, and now we're ordering a Mexican kebab to share. So hopefully it'll be good. This place is amazing. Camden Market is definitely worth it. Anyone that comes to London should definitely come to Camden Market.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alright, so we just got our lunch. Britt is hacking in. Britt, what'd you order?
Mexican kebab.
Mexican kebab. A chicken Mexican kebab.
Chicken, cabbage, onion, coriander, cheese, garlic and chili.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. And I got a chicken Caesar burger with cheesy fries as the side, you call it, and a can of Coke just to wash it down with. How is it? Delicious?
Yum. So good. Ready?
Beautiful. That's my bad boy.
It's on your nose. Yeah. It's on your nose. Yum. Yum. Yum.
Honestly, can this place get any better?
Wow.
We'll check back in when we're done.
Yeah.
What are you getting, Britt?
We're getting 2 cinnamon chocolate churros.
2 cinnamon chocolate churros coming right up.
Yeah, they stuff the middle with chocolate. Thank you.
Beautiful.
My sunglasses keep getting so dirty. Thank you. Enjoy. You won't eat it yet, mate. Thank you.
We've just left Camden Market on a massive
Best
high.
experience of my life.
Oh, honestly,
These
churros
stuffed
filled with
with
chocolate. Sensational. Absolutely sensational. Camden Market is an A+
Amazing.
from us.
Yeah.
Oop, someone's coming past. Yeah, A+ from us. Dead set. It's been the best experience. It's so hard to say. Like, just the market topped with the food, topped with the weather. Like, it's just been I think the best day so far we've had.
Yeah, I agree.
It's just been so good, so good. I'm just lost for words. This trip has already lived up to whatever expectations I had in my head before we came. So now we're just going to walk around Camden for a little bit and yeah, see what else we come across. So hopefully we come across some cool shit. Alright, bye guys.
That's which one it is. So how about those flat earthers, huh? The flat earth theory has researched in 2019 of all the times for it to make a reappearance. This one's for them. This one is broken. Please send it back. It's stuck on repeat and ignoring all facts. Quite sure it thinks that the whole world is flat. Stranger than fiction, no doubt about that. Distraction tactics are we spinning on an axis? Why dig up a question that predates Christ? We answered it then, we answered it right. Obviously. No wonder it feels like the world's spinning backwards. Go on, show me how you draw your atlas. Oh wait, does it look like a plate? It's people like you that I like to escape. Where is the edge? Seems really well hidden. Are you just saying this because you think it's forbidden? My other theory is that you have been bitten by some rabid dog or an atomic kitten. Could it be that you've laid us a trap that I'm walking into by writing this rap? Of the three choices, I think I'll choose that. But that will mean that you're not full of crap. It's so dumb that feels evil. Sniffing out the weasels for sheezel. Crowdfund a rocket for these people just so they can see the whole globe. And that once they're up there we can make it so they don't come back.
So, swap sides. You're in this frame.
Where's the bus?
We just got back to our tube stop in Lancaster Gate. What a day. What a day. I'm like a walking clothes rack of bags. Wouldn't want it any other way though. Camden Town has our tick of approval. That was an awesome
Yeah,
day.
that was
Awesome
cool.
day.
I loved that.
That was very fun. That's a great funky little town. So much to offer, so many cool little shops, gift shops, food. The food was
My God.
incredible, and we only had 3 things, and there was so much
we
more we
brought
wanted to
lots of
try.
lollies too.
Yeah, we bought so many lollies from the lolly shop.
Now
But-
where are we going?
Yeah, now we're heading back to our place to drop off the bags, maybe charge a few devices, and then we might go to the pub and just have a drink or two, just to have a bit of a drink, just to calm ourselves down for the evening, and yeah, might even try FaceTime a few of the family members to let them know how we're going, and yeah, we'll see how we go. But it was an awesome day. Couldn't have asked for a better day here. Great sunny weather. It's just perfect day. So we hope you've enjoyed our day as much as we have. We should have some very cool footage to be uploading from this episode, so enjoy.